Now, I know we talked about, and thank you, Justin, because that's something that, and I got to attest to that too, because since we started focusing on the groups, I mean,
Hmm.
so let me tell you my morning routine. Wake up at 5 o'clock, and I usually go to the gym in the morning. But between 5 to 5:30, for some reason, I stay in bed looking at responding to everything in Facebook, and that's how we get a lot of our appointments. And I go through all social media, making sure that I clear everything up. One thing that kind of annoys me is just seeing the number right next to an app. Like I haven't gone through it.
Oh.
I need to clear out. So I won't get up from the bed until I clear up and then I start getting ready. But yes, I mean, that's amazing because the way that we start posting in Google is free.
Yeah.
Right.
You just got to put your time on it, and little by little, people starting getting to know you.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
trust me,
Yeah.
once you start getting to be known, you always gonna get those trolls.
No.
People
Yeah.
Rules. Yeah.
people are just gonna talk, and you know
Yeah.
what, and have fun sometimes. You just don't care about it, because if you have something good, people are afraid of the good things and people that are bringing value to the industry.
Yeah, I
So
mean, and as far as those Facebook groups go, Carlos,
yeah,
what are we in? We're in like 30 different Facebook
30
groups.
something
Yeah,
different
And
groups.
every single day, all we try to do is just provide value.
You need to up your
So,
game. You need to get more.
Need to get more
Get
groups.
more.
okay, all right. So all right, we need to.
Wow.
So you see that's one of the things that we can increase our traffic. So we got to double that.
10x.
Justin
Let's
said
go.
it.
One,
All right.
one
So
thing, one
go
thing
ahead.
I love about Facebook groups as well is when you're marketing, you have an audience, right? Like, for instance, I have a client that only wants Sub-Zero freezers. No other appliances. If you got GE, forget about it. I only want Sub-Zero, right? So it's so niche that it's very hard to market. But there's even groups for that. You can find groups for Sub-Zero freezers, and it's like, oh, well, if anyone needs a repair in here or needs a new unit, boom, I got it. There's niched groups. And when you
That's
get to
crazy.
your specific audience, it's just one
Yeah,
easy way to generate clicks to wherever you want to send them, whether it's your
that's
website,
awesome.
a form, a landing page. It's all up to you.
Now,
Yeah.
you guys said that you guys are in some groups, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm going to help. I'm on the master right now. All right. So hold on one second.
We see the hand of God working right now.
Over here, we're gonna
The
go.
hand of God. You know what, guys? Salute. Let me fill my cup.
Chin chin.
I'm about to fill up my cup soon.
All right. So I got a group right now.
Salute to all of you.
Salute, guys.
71,000 people in it. All right.
Wow.
Instant cash loan / private finance. Are you guys in that one?
We're about to be in. I don't know which one you
We're
just
not,
found,
but we're
but
about to join it.
I mean, there's 71,000 people.
71,000 people.
And
Awesome.
that's how you can go ahead for your own business, maximizing getting the type of people that you want in front of for yourself.
Right.
So
right.
you just brought something great to the table, man, because you know your niche and you know what to find.